What's up, world, boys and girls? You know what it is. Another day at the office, another day in paradise. We got another initial service. As you can see, everything is pretty severely neglected and outgrown. A bunch of leaves everywhere. Gonna clean this up. In the back, they got some construction in progress. See, the bushes are crazy. So I'm just gonna walk you through the property so you can see what we're working with. It's not much grass in the backyard, but the weeds and the driveway pretty bad off. That's the debris. We're gonna leave that here so the contractors can pick it up when they finish their repairs. On the side of the house, these bushes definitely need a good trimming. As you can see, they're growing on top of the house. You don't want any plants hugging your property. We come to around the other side of the house. That has to be cleaned up. So, yeah. We're going to be taking care of the whole property. Stay tuned. Can't wait for you guys to see the end result. So make sure you do what you're supposed to do. Support the channel. Holler at your boy. All right, boys and girls, let's go take a look. We just got finished with the property. So I just finished loading up the truck. Let's take a look. Everything cut down, proper. Sago palms are looking good. Those bushes look very good. Take you through the same path on the outro that we did on the intro. All right, so come to find out, it was a brick walkway right here. Could barely see it, if at all. Right. Got all this under control. Driveway look impeccable. We got 3 of those. We got 3 of these out of this property. 3 bags out of this property. So that's about 75, 65 pounds a bag, almost 200 pounds of debris cleared off the patio. Let me get my shovel. I love these bushes. Oh, it looks like we forgot one. Let me grab that down real quick. Alright. So you can see the walkway. Got a nice shape on the bushes. Come to find out there was some pavers right here, so we uncovered that. Cleaned all the scragglies. Got everything taken care of. Now they don't run the risk of getting a citation for the city, from the city. No job is too big or too small, so if you need us, holla. Pressure washing, jungle taming, or regular routine maintenance service. Fence repair, demo removal, debris removal, demolition. If it's work, we do it. So catch you on the next video. Thanks again for all your support, guys. It really, really, really means a lot to us. We're trying to get our YouTube page up to 500, so definitely tap in. It is free to subscribe. Yeah, lock in. Let's get it. Peace.